This video is sponsored by Noregon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noregon.com to learn more.
So what's the problem?
Have you tried turning it off and back on again?
You can turn him off?
Well, he's an android, no different than a computer.
He is?
Let me try. Well, that didn't work. Not getting any signal from him at all, actually. Maybe it's his telematics device that needs updated.
Those things need to be updated?
Yeah, especially if it's an old device. Cellular 3G networks will sunset soon, and older devices that aren't 4G LTE will lose connectivity.
Is that going to happen to our trucks as well?
Let me see if I can get Data Jason's device swapped out. He'd be a better one to explain this.
What are you doing with them?
Well, there's your problem. He had an outdated 3G telematics device.
That was inside of him.
We should be able to bring him back online now.
Next time we'll talk about keeping our trucks connected by ensuring that they're ready for the 3G sunset. Wait a minute. Well, what happened? You freaked out and froze. I had to call the IT specialist to come and fix you. Well, that is embarrassing. I guess my telematics device wasn't updated. The 3G sunset is near, and that means that fleets need to talk with their telematic providers to ensure their devices are 4G LTE capable. If they aren't, you'll have to replace the devices in your trucks. Oftentimes, it's a simple plug-and-play device swap, but the process can vary by telematics service provider. It's worth the time and effort because, as we just saw, the last thing you need is to lose connectivity to your trucks. This is doubly important since the 2019 ELD mandate, as your telematics devices could enable your ELDs, and if you lose connectivity, then you're facing potential fines associated with ELD noncompliance and lack of reporting functions. For more on why you need to act on the upcoming 3G sunset, here's our Noregon Pro with more insight.
The subject of 3G sunsetting and how that's going to affect your organizations is what I'm here to talk about right now. So, in the past, we had, the first generation, second generation. That's what the G stands for, by the way. Third generation cell wireless was something that has been around for a very long time. And unfortunately, a lot of telematics devices still running around out there today are still using the third generation of wireless devices. Now, unfortunately, because of bandwidth limitations, federal regulations have had to change in order to allow 4G, 5G to come online and to move from analog signals to digital signals. And in order to accomplish that, 3G has to be sunsetted because it's gonna quit working. So if you've got those devices out there, you should be planning in your fleets for an upgrade in your hardware so that you can continue having your telematics. Noregon's ND2 device is a 4G LTE Cat M1 device, which is fully compatible with the latest digital standards and future-proofed for many years to come.
Well, I appreciate you guys giving me an upgrade. And I appreciate our IT specialist telling me that you have an off button. Give me that thing. I've got the power now. Thanks for watching, everyone.